Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to draw in Notion. Okay, so for this, we will use the embed feature, alright, and this website, sketch.io. So what you need to do is just copy the URL, okay, sketch.io/sketchpad, and you come here and do /embed, okay, and click on this. Paste in that URL and click on embed link, and we would have a drawing board we can draw in. Now, whiteboard used to work. This one doesn't work anymore. If you want to use other drawing tools, you can just search for free online drawing tools. You can try out these other websites like your draw.io. Okay, and here we go. Now we have access here, and I can go ahead and draw right here. As you can see, I can draw anything I want, right? So it's really that easy and simple.